without this technology, we were used to do offline analysis, which takes time, a big panel of experts with previous experience. What we have now is online data. We have real-time recommendations with artificial intelligence algorithm telling us new findings every time or new insights. So these new tools for me have been a really good experience to know the technology, know the need, and make a good match. So tackle the right solution for the right problem. Some recommendations I will say is, first, we need to be well connected with the business. I think many people consider AI and digital solutions is like a journey to get to, and for me, it's a journey to use. It's like a mean and not a goal. So what we have found very practical is doing this proof of concept, using technology, again, where it matters most, solving immediate issues, prove the value, and every time we do a proof of concept, think on a rollout strategy. Don't think of it as a silo.